everyone. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. We will be decorating this baker's rack for Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys will stick with me as I share with you how I create and decorate this space here. What I have here is this little tie that I'm going to use to attach my garland to the rack here. So I will be using some greenery. I will be using lots and lots of red as we are decorating for Valentine's Day. So you guys, I hope you will stick with me until the end so that you may see what we come up with here today. So I just wanted to take this time to share with you how you too can take some items around your home and just decorate a space for Valentine's Day. I know the day is fastly approaching, but I wanted to share this with you guys. So stick with me as we continue to try out many different pieces until we can come up with a desired look. Now, as I stated, I will be using lots of red. So you guys, I'm going to show you right here how to evenly distribute your garland. Basically, all you do is fold in half, come to the end point, gather it together, and then go for the center of the whatever item that you are decorating. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm going to evenly distribute this garland across the top of my baker's rack. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate you so much for stopping by. If you happen to like what you see here today and you want to become a part of this family, then all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload here. And if you're already a part of this family here, you guys know that you're welcome, you're loved, and you are appreciated. And I thank you so much for stopping by. I will continue to decorate as you guys continue to watch. Thank you so much. Enjoy.